Hey guys, welcome to my channel Real Life Diaries and my name is Shama. If you guys don't know already, do let me in the comment section how you guys doing. And I do videos on makeup, fashion, beauty, skincare, haul, unboxing, reviews, whatnot, everything actually. And if in case you are interested to see my cooking videos, then I have another channel which I will link in the description box. So if you guys interested, you can go and check that. The channel name is Shama's Kitchen. So yeah, let's begin to the video. I have already mentioned the title and you have already read the title what video is gonna be about. So it's a subscription box again. 2 days before I did a video for Look Fantastic, and today I'm doing it for Roccabox, and it is the second box I got from Roccabox. So quickly will not stretch this video, I always say, but it happened most of the time, 90%, but we'll try to make it short as possible. So this is the Roccabox. This is how it comes in a poly bag. Let me open it and I'll be right back. Okay, so before starting the video, I would like to mention, first of all, this is the last month of the year 2019 about to finish, and like it's already 5th of December, and this is the last box of the year, and like I'm excited at the same time, like what gonna happen the next year. So if you guys have any plan, do let me in the comment section what's your 2020 plan. I haven't decided anything yet, but we'll think about it shortly. So yeah, before opening the box, Roccabox is also a subscription box. They do deliver the product across UK and Ireland, and it costs you somewhere around in between 12 to 15 pound, which is like sometimes up and down. Why I'm saying this? Because they give you sometimes coupon code which you can use it, and some kind of offers going on, so you can use that. And if I'll put my link in the description box, if you will register by that, it's affiliate link. This is not the sponsored video, but yeah, the affiliate link I'll mention the description box. So if you are subscribing for this and any offer is going on, you can get that. So in between 12 to 15 pound this box comes, and always you get worth 50 to 60 pound in 12 pounds. So this is how the box is. Roccabox. It is taking all the focus. Now it's fine. Okay, so December Roccabox. Let's open this. Okay, so this is how it is. You get this where all the products will be listed, what all in this, and along with price and everything. Okay, so it says Roccabox December 2019. You can see. So the first one is Perfect Your Pout with Steve Lauren lip gloss, peach or cafe. Which color I have got is just a minute. Okay, all right, so it's a full size lip gloss and kind of tinted lip gloss basically, and it costs 18.87. look, the first product is already it's like more than 12 pounds, so like 18.87 you are getting. It's not bad, huh? And this brand, last time also happened it with me, like all products were new for me. Like I haven't used any, even I didn't even heard about any product, and this time also the same case. I just, can you see how beautiful it is looking? It's a lip gloss, but I just love the cap. Can you see? It's so classy, like I'm not telling lie. I just love this packaging. Like I haven't used it, Steve Lauren, and and I got the peach shade. So it's like this. See? Sorry, my daughter was here. So this is a very nice peachy color. To be honest, I'm like, if you are watching my videos, I'm not that this kind of color lover, but I guess if I'm wearing any dark vibrant color, I can top that with this and will go nice. So love the fragrance, huh? So this is the first. Okay, so the second one is the Prep Your Hair with the Philip Kingsley Body. Okay, so this is the brand which I am aware about. I got the conditioner from Look Fantastic, I guess, and this is the shampoo. One of the good brand these days especially, and I can totally recommend this. So this is the first thing which I have already heard about. So this is the shampoo, and it's 7.80, 60 ml. Now prep your skin with Dr. Botanical sleeping mask. Botanical. Okay, again I got something which have already used. Like this box have some like I was like, every time I will get something which I haven't heard, but no. If you watched my last Look Fantastic box, you guys must be aware that I got that this Dr. Botanical moisturizer, face moisturizer, and this is the sleeping mask. And saying like how to use it, I use it 2 or 3 times a week. You can use it. Don't get my full it, like when you go to sleep you can use it on your face. So, and this cost £12. It's quite expensive box it is, huh? So, and it came in a box proper. So okay, so the fourth one is prep your lashes with Bow Organic Lash Oil. Wow, interesting. And you know what, everything so far I have got is the full size one, and this is the lash oil. Haven't used it before, and it's £20, 19.99 pound. I'll open it. Nice. It's good when you do a lot of makeup, when you apply a lot of mascara and falsies, you need some nourishment to to your lashes also. So this is a good one. So it's like, so okay, it has castor oil in, so will be good for your lash growth also. Okay, so the fifth one is perfect your People with Luna by Luna eyeshadow. Okay, so the teeny weeny one shadow, this scent, and this is, let me open it, and it costs 12.86, and I guess so beautiful color. In Look Fantastic, I guess I got the balm one. Yeah, it was almost the same color, and again I got this color. And again, if you guys are watching my videos, you know that I love metallic color on my lid, and this is something, this color is something like I totally love. It's a universal color basically. So whatever outfit you are going for, and what lip shades and what kind of makeup is going on, these such kind of colors are like universal. You can pair it with anything. So this is for 12.86. Not bad. Okay, and last but not least, they have done something here like this. Can you see? It says recover with shh. It's a surprise. Take a look through your box to find it. Okay, as a thank you for being a loyal rock star this year, we have thrown an extra treat for your holiday, December month, and they are just giving me something, so I'm going to check something. I don't know what is it. Wow, it's a B6 capsule. Not bad. Last time they sent that sample size of perfume, and it's not a skincare or beauty care, but here's something related to women. Like we all women, sometimes we get deficiency of vitamin and everything, so they sent this three capsules of that, and they're saying the how to use it. One sachet, 3 capsules per day maximum, do not exceed a day. Capsule course they have sent to me. So yeah, thank you so much for this. Like for 12.95, like for £12 you are getting like 18 and 7 and 12 and 20 and 12, almost 60 or 70 pounds you are getting. So yeah, I'm totally loving this box, and hoping like next year will be more exciting. So yeah, this is all about this video. If you guys know want to get one subscription, I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can check, and do let me know which product you like for me. I totally love this. Okay, and thank you so much for these capsules, and almost everything is good in this box. There's nothing like which I'll say okay, I didn't want that and it is in the box. No, it's not the case. Everything is so useful basically. So thank you so much once again, Roccabox, for creating such an amazing box. And that's it guys for today's video. If you like, share and subscribe, and yeah, do share this video please, so that all makeup lover can see what kind of boxes these are and how easily you can get. So I'll sign off here. We'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy.